Hi Art Explorium friends, this is Auntie Heather here with another art video tutorial for you to try at home. Today we're gonna make our own aprons. Aprons are so useful when you're cooking or when you're making art and you don't wanna get your clothes messy. So they cover up what you're wearing and then you can use them to get a little more messy and have some fun. So we love to make aprons out of t-shirts and I'm gonna show you a really easy way to do that today. This apron was made for me by my friend Anna, who used to work at Art Explorium, and she actually tie-dyed this apron, which is amazing, and she put letters on it so that it has my name. So there's lots of ways you can have fun with these aprons. You can decorate them and make them fun for you and your own personality. So be creative and have fun, and let's get started on making our own aprons. So the only supplies you need are a t-shirt and a pair of scissors that's sharp enough to cut through a t-shirt. If you need help, please be sure to ask an adult for help because you do need to cut the t-shirts with your scissors. This is gonna be the front of your apron, so if you have a t-shirt with a cute design, then you might wanna use that if there's something with a cute design on the front of your t-shirt. I just have an extra one. I ordered an extra one of these by mistake, so I have two. So I thought I would make one into an apron. So the first thing you're gonna do is get your scissors and you're gonna cut the sleeves off of your t-shirt. So you're gonna cut right here below this seam in a diagonal line up to this part right here. Okay, so we're gonna take these scissors and cut through straight. And you don't want to cut this part. You want to keep this neckline. So be sure to keep that part. Now I'm going to cut the other side. One thing I want to mention is if you know someone who knows how to sew, you could keep these sleeves and cut them and sew them closed, and you could make a pocket for your apron and use those two sleeves to make two pockets. But that would require some sewing, so that's a whole nother step. But we're not gonna do that today. I just wanted to mention that as an option. Okay, so now we're gonna take our shirt and we're gonna flip it over. And we're gonna take just the back part of your t-shirt. We're not gonna cut through both layers. When we cut the sleeves off, we cut both layers, but this part, we're gonna just cut the back part of your shirt. We're gonna cut from the bottom middle all the way up to the top middle, but we're gonna stop when we get to this seam. So do not cut through that seam, okay? So here we go. Now we're going to cut along the bottom of this seam to open it up. Just on the back of your t-shirt, not both sides, only the back. We're going to cut here and here. Now we're gonna open it up and we're gonna fold it in half. So this is the front of your apron and this is gonna be the back. We don't need this part, so we're gonna cut that off. Both layers. Okay, put those aside. You don't need those anymore. So this is the basic shape of our apron, and now we need to cut the apron strings. So we're gonna open it back up again, and we're gonna cut the strings. In order to do that, you're gonna just take your scissors and cut from Can you see this? From here, and we're gonna cut up, and then we're gonna stop. And that's gonna make our apron string, this part here. You don't wanna cut too close to either of these edges because it's gonna tear. It won't be strong enough. So you wanna cut to maybe at least an inch inside of both edges. And let's stop right there. Oh, maybe a tiny bit more. Okay, then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna slide this over. Okay, now we have our strings, and we're gonna just tie this into a little knot, a simple knot. Go around, under, and come back through. Tie it close to this part of the apron, and then that's gonna make your apron string go out to the side rather than hang down. Can you see that? There you go. And then I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Go around, loop it through, just tying a simple little knot. Keep it tight in towards the inside of your apron. And then, like I said, don't pull too hard. You don't want to tear it right there. But that is basically your apron. And this part goes over your neck, and these parts wrap around in the back, and you can put it on and use that when you do your art projects. So now you have your apron, and you made it yourself. You didn't have to go to a store and buy one. You just made it out of an old t-shirt. And I hope you were able to find one that had a cute design on the front, so now you have a really cute looking apron. But here's how you put it on. You just put that part over your head, just like a t-shirt. And then you have your strings. You tie it in the back. And voila, that's it. So I hope you have a lot of fun using your apron to make some amazing art projects at home or at school or wherever you may be. And be sure to send us photos of you with your new apron on. And thank you to Aunty Lani, our friend from Art Explorium. She taught us how to make this great project, and it's a really useful one, and we love it, and we make these all the time. So hope you enjoy. Be sure to share pictures of yourself wearing your apron as long as your parent says it's okay. And we would love to see all the art that you're making with your new apron. Take care, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.